Impress your friends with this amazing digital clock in Excel. Right-click on Sheet tab and open Visual Basic. Double-click on this workbook and choose Workbook option. Type this code carefully and you can find it in description. You can change your cell name to where you want the clock to be appeared. In this example, the clock will appear in cell D1. Run the code and save it. But first you need to save it as a macro-enabled file. So, save as Excel macro-enabled workbook. Close Visual Basic. Adjust clock size, font, color, and you are done. Follow for more tips and tricks.